All right, second graders, go ahead and go to the inside and make sure your name's on the front, and let's get started. So today you're going to write the fraction of the set that is red. So this is not a shape. They're all fish, but you're going to tell what fraction of the fish are a certain color. So you got to read. So number 1, how many red fish are there? So let's count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red fish. Out of how many fish in all? Because they're all fish, they're all the same. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 6 fish in all, to write the fraction, there are 5/6 of the fish are red. Let's go to number 2. How many red fish are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 red fish. Out of how many fish in all? That's our whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 fish in all. So I need to write that fraction. 3/10 of the fish are red. Number 3. Again, how many red fish are there? There's 1, 2 red fish. Out of how many fish in all? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 fish in all. So 2/7 of the fish are red. Number 4, how many red fish are there? There's 1 red fish. Out of how many fish in all? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fish in all. So our fraction would be 1/5 of the fish are red. Do you understand? There are 8 fish. 3 of the fish are red. What fraction of the fish are red? So I want to know how many are red. So how many are red goes on top. 3 out of how many total fish? Well, they said there are 8 fish, so 3/8 of the fish are red. Go to the next side. All right, you are going to need blue crayon, a blue crayon. Pause, go get a blue crayon if you need it, and let's go ahead and get started. The directions say color to show the fraction. 1/3 of the fish are blue. So there are 3 fish, and one of them, 1 out of the 3 are blue. So how many fish am I going to color? 1, that's right. Top number is the number that I'm going to color, so I'm going to color the top number. Number 6, 2/4 of the fish are blue. Well, there are 4 total fish. 2 out of 4 are blue. So how many am I going to color? That's right, 2. 1, 2. Number 3, 4/9 of the fish are blue. 4 out of 9 are blue. So how many am I going to color? Number 8, 1/12 of the fish are blue. 1 out of 12 are blue. How many am I going to color? Number 9, complete the pattern. 1/6, 1/5, 1/4, 1/3. Oh, well, it looks like the bottom number is the only one changing. So the top's going to be 1. See if you can figure out the bottom. I'll read it. See if you can. 6, 5, 4, 3. What would go there? All right, go to the back. Number 10, draw a picture to solve. There are 8 fish. 6 fish are green. So you'll need green. Pause and go get green if you need it. Show the set what fraction of the fish are green. So to draw fish, easy way to do it. I need to draw 8. So you can do something like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if that's having trouble, you can do this. 8. Circle, triangle. Okay, now 6 are green. So how many am I going to color? What would the fraction be? 6 out of 8 are green. How would I write that fraction? And number 11. And you need to write that fraction here. Number 11, what fraction of the fish are yellow? So they want to know how many are yellow. How many total fish are there? And how many are yellow? How many yellow out of how many total? Is it 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, or 4/7? So how many are yellow? And number 12, write a story about a set of one that shows 1/6, then complete the sentence. So that could look like this. I will do it with you. There are 6 joules. 1 joule is a diamond. What fraction of joules are diamonds? Finish the sentence. 1/6 of joules are diamonds. When you're done, if there's an adult, have them check it. If not, then you may turn it in.